Crane Nuclear. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about the new AOV pressure manifold from Crane Nuclear. The AOV manifold is used for measuring up to 4 pressures during AOV baseline testing. With the manifold itself, 25 feet each of red, green, yellow, and blue tubing, as well as a variety of push-to-connect fittings. The AOV manifold comes with 300 psi pressure transducers for measuring supply and the actuator pressures, either diaphragm or top and bottom, depending, as well as a 30 psi for measuring I to P pressure, control pressure. If your control pressure is higher than 30, you can use one of these other transducers for that measurement if needed. The manifold can be connected directly to a Votes Infinity DAU, eliminating the need for a universal cable, or if additional distance is needed, the optional U-link connector will allow the use of a universal cable. Between the device itself and the DAU. In all cases, Assist technology is supported. The DAU will configure itself automatically and you'll be ready for test. The other connections to the manifold are made using one of the supplied push-to-connect fittings, which is installed at the pressure source. There's various sizes provided, 1/8" MPT and 1/4" MPT. And you utilize the hoses to connect from the push-connect fitting that is installed at the pressure source to the appropriate port on the manifold. Okay, thanks for tuning in. If you need additional information, feel free to look us up on www.cranenuclear.com.